Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Polysheen Blue Clarifier. What is BioGuard Polysheen Blue Clarifier? Polysheen Blue is a water clarifier that is used to clear up cloudy water fast. It works on small suspended particles in the water. This product is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It can be used with all pool and filter types and does not affect pH level. This product also assists in the filtration of cloudy water. Restore your pool water to sparkling blue with Polysheen Blue. Product benefits: highly concentrated water clarifier, no dilution needed. Fast-acting formula that clears cloudy water. Recommended for weekly use. For all pool and filter types. Dosage: 1 fluid ounce per 5,000 gallons of water per week. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.